I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into your LinkedIn app, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Update the app. Go to your device's app store and check if there is an update available for the LinkedIn app. An outdated version can cause login issues. Step 3. Clear app cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, LinkedIn Storage and select Clear Cache. This can help resolve any temporary data issues. Step 4. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If none of the above steps work, uninstall the LinkedIn app and then reinstall it from your app store. This can resolve deeper issues. Hopefully, these steps will help you log back into your LinkedIn account without any hassle. If you still face issues, consider reaching out to LinkedIn support for further assistance.